Another thing that you might find useful or interesting to be able to do, which might come in handy when you're working with your Photoshop images, is adding two images together to create some kind of mask between the two. So I've just Googled for an ocean shot that I can copy the image, and then I'm going to edit, paste into Photoshop, and here it is. It's slightly too small, so I'm going to use my move tool. I'm going to just grab that and put it over in the corner so I can see how big I want it to be. I'm going to Control T to change the size of that. Control T will give me my edit transform. And then I'm going to just stretch that out so that it fills the space I'm looking for. Now I'm going to use a mask, and I'm going to use a paintbrush. I'm going to make that bigger. I'm going to keep my hardness at 0. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paint away the background of that ocean file. So you can see we've got two images starting to join together. And if we then made some changes to both of these layers so that they felt very similar in colour, that would be something that we could have a go at doing.